Well, welcome back to the GSM workshop. It's been a while since I've done a video for YouTube. One, I've been very busy, and also I had 3 weeks in the UK, which was very enjoyable. When I came back, I got sick and I got COVID, and I've been recovering from that. So not much has gone on really, but I've also been busy trying to catch up with things here. So I want to give you an update of what's happening in the workshop. Mainly for this video, the Mustang I'm working on. Quite a bit of work has gone on with that one. Then on another video, I'll do an update on the Volkswagen bus as well behind me. Quite a bit of work has been done on that one as well. I got a goal to get that one on the road for next spring, so lots needs to be done between now and then. And I got some other projects with spares and things dropped off as well I want to share with you on another video. But for this video, I will show you what's happening with a Mustang, which is coming on really well, and a lot of work is involved in that. Mainly problem for conversion from a straight six, an older straight six, to a newer V8 standard transmission, manual transmission with a clutch and everything else. But let me show you what I'm doing, and I'll turn the video around and show you bits and pieces, and I'll show you as I do some work today on it, how it all goes together. So bear with me and I will turn you around and we'll talk some more. Okay, here's the first bit of the clutch assembly. I had to modify up to a newer style clutch than the old 68 rod mechanism that was on there. So this is the pedal box assembly. Also you got the clutch and you got the brake. As you'll see, I've also put a booster on as well. But using the newer T5 transmission on this one, I had to kind of replicate how the clutch works with a newer version. So what I've done is I made this plate, and bracket coming down, I put a brass bush in here. You can't really see it, but there's also a brass bush on this side, and on the original this is really worn out. Then I used a 5/8 bar to extend it out, and here is the clutch quadrant for it. So you can see probably how it works. The clutch just clips onto here, and as you move the clutch, I can't really show you actually, but you can see how it kind of works. I'll show you better when it's in the car and put it in the car. So, and before my battery runs out, let me just go over to what else I had to do. This is the clutch cable. Oh, this comes off for now. This is the clutch cable, and it goes into a newer, like an adjuster up here. So, and it goes obviously down to the clutch, way down there somewhere. If I can turn the light on, maybe it'll lighten it up. Yeah, you can just see the clutch assembly down there. So that's in. So then I've got to go inside and assemble the clutch assembly up through these holes there, and it's got modified for a brake booster. So let me do that, and I'll show you how it's all gone together from that stage onwards. Thank you. Okay, welcome back to the install of the clutch brake pedal box assembly. I don't know if you can see what I've done. Now this was a real pain. So much light have we got? We've got plenty of light here. So it is up there. I think you can see it's all in here. It's bolted in, and across there, you can't really see it, is the quadrant we go on the other side. But let me put some extra light on in here, so this helps a little bit. Yeah, a lot of shadows, but there is a wiper motor. I had to modify the mounting bracket for that one a little bit, and I go around. Bear with me as I creep around. Maybe you can see better. Whoops! Knock some stuff over. And there is the quadrant with the cable on it. So you can just see it move a little bit there. So the original mounting bracket for the wiper motor did get in the way. I had to cut off the back end and I put a bracket in on underneath to give it the bottom support. Anyway, that's that. That was a real pain to do. A view from here. There's a wiper motor. Like I said, I think you can see through here. That's the assembly. Not an easy place to put a camera in. Right, rest of the work I've done. Okay, back up here. So in the engine bay, there's a brake booster, new breaker booster assembly, new brake lines in there. Obviously that's the hose to the booster. This is now the new clutch cable, and up here is the adjustment on the firewall. You can unscrew that, take up the slack. Going looking down underneath, you can't really see anything because I now got the hole in the transmission covered over. Going around the engine bay, I have the exhaust headers on now. This is going to be have a standoff to keep this out of the way, and I may wrap this up with some heat shield as well. Don't have the plug wires on there yet. That's the next assembly. Carburetor's on. I think you've seen that before. New distributor. No points in this one, and actually the engine that came off was fully electronic. It wouldn't work with this in this bay anyway. For the alternator, I found this on Amazon. It's a bit big. It's kind of muscly looking, but it's the drive for the alternator with a new mounting bracket down in this bay, like where the original alternator should be on this year. I think this looks quite cool. I'm going to put a electric fan on this one now. I've made that decision. Alternator bracket. You can see the spacers for the nice billet aluminum bracket. I need to get some new plugs for the alternator to plug in and rewire that. This just needs to be hooked up. Hopefully I can do that later this week to get the engine turning over and maybe firing. That's the engine bay. Now the big stuff was down here. Tell you what, see me crouching over. Let me lift this car up. The crackling is my bug catcher up in the ceiling as I use this. Here we go. This is easier to show you now. Okay, so now we have put a disc brake conversion on. 4-pot calipers, lots of stopping power, as you can see. Nice big discs, backing plate. Put a much bigger sway bar, anti-roll bar on than the original to give it some cornering power now. Upgraded springs, shock absorbers on the front. So basically the front end, it's all got new ball joints, top and bottom, all new bushes everywhere, new lower arm bracket as well. So this is basically all new, and it's looking really good. I'm very pleased with this conversion. Yeah, this is a nice conversion on this one. That's about it. Obviously I have these towels on here so I don't scratch myself walking around the car, and again it's the same on this side as well, all new. Again, the kit came with new brake lines, Maybe tempted to switch these out to braided. We'll see how it goes. Otherwise, this is all done. Box of parts inside to go back on. Oh, I've got to put the fresh air vent on, windscreen demister I should say, on, and the steering column's got to go back on as well after I've painted it. And you can see it's looking quite bare in here. So yeah, that's where I am with the Mustang up to date. I will be doing the engine startup as well soon, and I'll do a video when we get that started up. Still a few little issues, clearances to sort out. Otherwise, there we are. Thank you for watching so far on the Mustang. The next video following this one will be on the Volkswagen bus. A lot of work done on that one as well on the other side. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe if you like this kind of content. If you like different type of content, let me know. If you want me to actually see me doing the work, let me know. Normally I just do the work and get on with it and do a video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye for now.